Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle line in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Then, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Make sure the tool is set to Shape mode in the options bar at the top. Finally, set the fill to No Color and choose a stroke color for your line. Now, let's draw the circle. Click and drag on your canvas while holding down the Shift key. This ensures you create a perfect circle, not an oval. Release your mouse button first, then the Shift key. You can easily adjust the stroke width in the options bar, perhaps setting it to 3 pixels, or explore more detailed options in the Properties panel. To customize your circle line further, head over to the Properties panel. Here, you can change the line type from a solid line to a dashed or dotted one. Experiment with the dash and gap values to create unique patterns. You can also modify the corner and cap styles, like rounding the ends, to give your circle line a polished and distinct appearance. Once your circle line is perfect, you might want to position it. Select the Move tool to drag your circle anywhere on the canvas. To resize it, select the Shape layer and use Free Transform. You can also duplicate the layer to create multiple circles. Finally, save your work in a format like PSD for future edits or JPEG for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.